Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to day 41 of our preparations for Indian Economic Service, IES Economics Optional and RBI Grade B DEPR exam. In this series, we go ahead and we take questions for all these three papers so that you can go ahead and do well in these exams. Let us look at the question for the day. This is Indian Economic Service 2022 question. Please read out the question. It says calculate the efficiency loss of the monopolist, and you are given that this is the price function and you're also given that this is the cost function. First of all, let us try to go ahead and let us try to understand what is an efficiency loss. An efficiency loss basically refers to the deadweight loss caused by a monopolist. Whenever there is a monopolist, because of which there is deadweight loss in the economy. Why is there a deadweight loss? There is deadweight loss because under monopoly, the quantity decreases and the price increases. So because there is decrease in the quantity sold by the monopolist, and there is increase in the price charged by the monopolist. Therefore, there is deadweight loss in any economy where a monopolist is involved. Now, let us try to understand through this linear diagram what is the deadweight loss. Try to see that this is my MR curve and this is my MC curve. So I can just plot it here. So if this is my AR, with twice the slope, I will be having my MR. This will be my MC. So where MR and MC are equal to each other, this is the quantity. And I can just extend this to the AR curve and get the price. Now, this is what is called as the deadweight loss. This becomes the deadweight loss or the efficiency loss caused by the monopolist. Now, just try to understand, this is the quantity. This is the quantity where P is equal to MC, right? This is the quantity where MR is equal to MC, isn't it? Try to understand this thing. And this area, if I just think how this area can be represented, this area is basically the gap between the AR and the MC curve, isn't it? So if I were to integrate the area under the AR curve, I would have got this, right? Area below the AR curve. And if I were to integrate the area below the MC curve, I would have got this, right? So the difference between the two, which is this refers to my deadweight loss, right? So if I were to, if I were not to find the area of this triangle using half into base into height, but rather in form of integration, I would have gone ahead and I would have got this D minus MC, demand curve minus the marginal cost curve, integrated between quantity of a monopolist, and because here P is equal to MC, this is the quantity of a competitive firm. Right? Okay, now let's start with that of a monopolist. So a monopolist will equate MR to MC. The price function given to me is 132 minus 8x. So my total revenue will be price into quantity, 132 minus 8x into x. So this will be 132x minus 8x squared. So if I were to go ahead and find the MR curve, it would have been differentiation of this, right? So if I will just differentiate this, I will get 132 minus 16x, right? Now this is given to me as total cost function, x cubed minus 14x squared plus 69x plus 128. So if I were to differentiate the total cost function, I would have got MC. My MC would have been this, 3x squared minus 28x plus 69. I will equate MR to MC. And when I will go ahead and equate MR to MC, I will get a quadratic equation, right? So I can just go ahead and solve this quadratic equation. And when I will be solving this quadratic equation, you can just go ahead and solve this quadratic equation. You will get two values of x, minus 3 and 7. Of course, x represents the output. It cannot be negative. So x is going to be positive and x will be 7. X will be 7. Now my price is 132 minus 8x, 132 minus 56, it will be 76. So the price charged by the monopolist is 76 and the quantity sold by monopolist is 7. Now let's find out the quantity which would have been sold had it been perfect competition. Under perfect competition, we will equate P to MC. So the price curve is already given to me as 132 minus 8x. So I'm going to go ahead and equate 132 minus 8x to this marginal cost curve. Again, when I just bring everything on one side, it will be a quadratic equation, right? You can go ahead and solve this quadratic equation. Just follow these steps. And you will be getting two values of quantity. One will be negative and one will be positive. Of course, quantity cannot be negative. So quantity has to be positive. So quantity will come out to be 9. Will come out to be 9. So you have got that here the quantity is going to be 9. Now I just have to integrate demand minus marginal cost between 7 to 9, right? My demand curve that I have, this is 132 minus 8x. And my marginal cost that I have, this is this 3x square minus 28x plus 69. I need to integrate this between 7 to 9, but well before I integrate it, why not just simplify it? So I will just open up this bracket and I will get 132 minus 8x minus 3x square plus 28x minus 69. I can also bring all like terms together. So this will give me minus 3x square. This and this together will give me plus 20x. And this will give me plus 63. I need to integrate this between 7 to 9. This is basic integration. Integration of x square will be x cubed by 3. Integration of x will be x squared by 2. Integration of 1 will be x between 7 to 9. And now just plug in 9 once minus just plug in 7 once, right? So I've tried to plug in 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. When you will be solving this, you will get the answer as 668. So this is going to be the efficiency loss caused by the monopolist. I hope this question is clear to you. It's an excellent question because this examines how to calculate the efficiency loss of a monopolist under the presence of quadratic cost function. Okay, thank you.